Okay, Andrew and Connor are helping me today with our unboxing. We got wolfberries. We love those on our salads and oatmeal. And Connor's got Inner Defense, which I love that. I use that when I feel like I'm getting below the wellness line. And our Thieves lozenges, I take one actually every day. It wakes me up in the morning. I'm addicted to those. And Deep Relief, of course. This is our free one. And Connor got Breathe Again, which is another free one with our 300 PV order. And lemon. Yes, I need more lemon. We ran out of that. I love to drink that every day. What else, guys? What else is in there? Oh, this is what Kevin and I take every night. Longevity. That stuff's good for you. Anything else? Keep going, guys. You can grab a couple at a time. This week, yay, we finally got that toothpaste back in stock. That's what the kids have every night. And we got 3 of the purifiers for free. The kids ran out of their shampoo, so there's their kids shampoo. And here's 2 more of the free products, the cleaners. What else is in there, Connor? We have, that's my Thyromin that I order every month, and I take that 2 in the morning. I do 2 multigreens in the morning for my thyroid. Lime we got for free, and bergamot. Good job, Connor. That's when you order 190 PV. I got some more peppermint. I love to have that one in my water. I finally got this Kula Soul. It's great for any bones, muscles, ligaments. This looks like lemon, but this is fennel.
Fennel?
Yep. And anything else? We got one last thing. What is it? We got Aroma Life. We ran out of that one. We really like that one too. So now you can tell me what's one thing in here that you would like to try, and I'm going to do a drawing each month, and I'm going to send you a sample of it.